off their back. You're chasing my popper, bro. Leave it alone. He's chasing my popper. They're chasing my popper. No, 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 buddy. We got a damn bird, bro. Oh, he let it go, he let it go. Bro, that's when you know you got a good lure, guys, when the birds hit it. I would have helped this dumbass. Oh, and there goes my lure. My lure went flying. Birds' nests and snaps, bro. And that's for me calling the fish a dumbass. As soon as I caught that bird a dumbass, sorry, the bird, my line snapped. So it serves me right.